Oh, what a beautiful Tuesday. Sun is shining, sky's clear. I don't feel like doing anything, guys. You wanna know? Nah, fuck. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I don't feel like doing anything. Come on, it's our day off. So the boss doesn't have to know about that, does he? Shut up, 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 shut up! I'm worried about Ratchet's lie. Do you think he's gonna blow a gasket? You know him. I'm sure he'll be alright. Let's just hope these terrorists don't make fun of him. Ah! There's the female lombax who has anger issues. How's things going, fella?
You know, it's nice that you guys are not doing anything.
Hey, I think she's still pissed about what happened recently. Yeah, this is not this day, especially at lombax. Hey, yo, Ratchet! Why don't you come and sit with us? Come on. We're not doing anything today. It's Tuesday. It's our day off. Oh my gosh, just shut up! Oh, what's the matter? You lost to a game of Battlefield with that Murray, the poor guy? Last time I heard, he's a total pro. You can never beat him, no matter what game you play. Oi! Have a nice day! Fuck you!
I bet these guys still hate you after what you guys did. Come on, Ratchet. Let's just go. They're not worth our time.
He's still pissed. I wonder why. Maybe it's because you talked too much about them. Ratchet lombax. A very short-tempered one. And this must be Vivid. She's also quite a short-tempered one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Where's Drek?
Mr. Drek is not there currently. And why are you asking for him? Commander Shepard wants him personally. He's on the most wanted list. So, we're gonna apprehend Drek. Look, I don't really give a shit, okay? Leave Drek alone. And also, why don't you go throw these puny little stuff that you have in the trash? They're useless. Stay calm, Ratchet. He's just a fiend. Whatever. Just go get pissed. Go play Battlefield or something. Fuck it. Tell Drek that we'll get him later. Yeah, go. Get out of here. Let me drink in peace.